Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today I'll be sharing the recipe for the Garlic Chilli Paneer, a quick and delicious Indo-Chinese recipe with soft paneer pieces coated in a lip-smacking sauce. To begin, take 200 grams of paneer and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Marinate with 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, half teaspoon salt or to taste, and half a teaspoon red chili powder. Mix well and keep aside. Mix together half a cup all-purpose flour and half a cup corn flour for dredging in a large plate. Add in the marinated paneer and mix until well coated. Dust off the excess flour. Heat oil for deep frying. Fry the paneer pieces until golden. Remove and keep aside. For the sauce, in a bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 1 tablespoon tomato puree, 2 tablespoons tomato sauce, half a teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, and half a cup of water. Mix until the sugar dissolves. Heat 2 tablespoons of sesame oil in a pan. Add 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, and saute for a minute. Add in half a cup diced onions and half a cup diced bell peppers. Cook for a minute or two. Add in the sauce mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Make a slurry of 1 teaspoon corn flour with 2 tablespoons of water. Add it to the sauce and cook until it thickens. Finally, add in the fried paneer pieces and mix until well coated. Add a bit of water if needed. Check the salt and add more if required. The garlic chili paneer is ready to serve. Garnish with sesame seeds and spring onion greens. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.